Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the last last minute deals from 4th of July sale here at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. Fortunately, that's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So please help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got some night spotlights here, 788. I saw a couple people take a few of these. Seem to be fairly decent for the price. And you got some Joby there. We're gonna walk to the garden section. You got some chainsaws here. See, I like the way this Home Depot has it. It has all the brands, all the tools from the brand together, and that way you're just not running all over the place trying to find, you know, a weed whacker or something like that from a certain brand. So you want a certain brand like DeWalt. You go to the DeWalt section, you'll find all the tools from DeWalt. Yes, I checked out the clearance. It's always good to check out the clearance. Look at this. We do have some insecticide. Like I said, I didn't know Home Depot sold concentrated insecticide. For the homeowner, that's a great deal right there, especially for 13 bucks. You can pick that up and do your own pest control. And then, like I said, it does never hurt to swing by the clearance section. You may never know what you find. Every Home Depot is different. Like this thing's pretty good. I was thinking of picking it up for my bathroom, but I didn't because I didn't want to carry it back. But yeah, they do got some gloves. This is where they have the stucco or the spatula section. They did have those gloves there. So if you guys need some gloves to protect yourself, you guys could use those. And yeah, this is the cooling or the mister system from Joby. They got fans. They got several different connections. And here are the sales from Diablo, the blades. We got some gloves, $12.88, $9.97 for the Milwaukee's, and then $8.88, $7.88 for these blue ones. And the best deal here, it's a 15 pair for $9.88. This is definitely a great deal there for 15 pairs. You got 3 pairs for $4.88. Then if you live in the hot climate, you need AC, those things work great for $39.97. Definitely recommend those. I use those all the time. You got some Stanleys, some Fat Maxes, and then you got some Fastbacks there. Not Fastbacks, but you know, the blades, the box cutters. And then you got that $49 case, Husky. Really nice little case there. And you got the backpack on the top, if you guys see there. Yeah, this Home Depot's loaded with DeWalt, Milwaukee, which is weird. I never seen so many DeWalt tools in stock still in this section, which is weird because you guys are gonna see that this Home Depot's mainly for DIYs. Cause like the Joby section's totally empty. See, they have that atomic set for $3.99. It's a 4-tool combo kit with 2 batteries. I believe a big, 2 batteries and a charger, which I never seen before. And this Flex Volt, I never seen before at a store. So $2.99, this is a great deal. If you find it, get it. If you need to pick it up, still a great deal. Because you get a big battery. I believe it's an 8 amp hour or 9 amp hour battery. And then a small one. And they do still have the atomics for $159. This is like the first Home Depot that I've seen that has the atomics. So if you guys need them, pick them up. Don't wait, because those tools are great tools. You get the free battery with the purchase of any tool from Makita. Definitely a great deal there if you're on the Makita platform. You want to expand it. Then you got the rigid toolboxes there on the right, and the vacuums on the top for $79. And then you got that deal. It is brushed. Still a great deal for $2.99 for a DIY or prosumer. Like if you're a professional, but you don't use them as heavy. Rigid's definitely a great platform to get into. $19.88 for the DeWalt's. Got some more Husky tools. $19.97 for the ratchet set. Yeah, and these are running out. This is the 199 deal from Milwaukee. They're running out. Like I said, if you guys need them, pick them up because everything's running out. Everybody's buying them somehow. You know, these sales have been going around and word's getting out. So all the other good tools are pretty much being sold. And like you guys see here, there's not a lot of selection. There's still some selection left, but there's not a lot like it was before. You still got one search there. You got a light and a vacuum there to and then you got the 12 volt kit there, the M12. And yeah, the titaniums are gone. The 29.97 titaniums, those are usually like 40 or 50 bucks. So yeah, if you see them at your store, if you need them, pick them up. You got some Diablo blades right there, 897, some pruning blades. And you got some more Diablo spade bits here, which 997, which is a killer deal. Definitely recommend that deal for you guys. And then you guys got the shirts, the Milwaukee shirts. They had a sale online, I believe, but they're 1997 at the store. And then those are the tools that if you guys buy the bigger kit, the better kit, which the HP batteries, you guys could get any of those tools for free. And they still did have a few of those left. This Home Depot is like way outside the city. It's like on the suburbs. It's far from the downtown area. So I would guess this Home Depot is basically based more on DIYs. Because usually Milwaukee's more like a professional line. If you guys see here, it's a great line. But Ryobi was totally like empty. So I would say this Home Depot is mostly for like DIYs and stuff like that, because there was hardly any tools here. As you guys see, they got a few radios, fans. They had none of these tools here, only like one. As you guys see, like a edge trimmer. And then they still had a few of these. But yeah, the buy one get one free, it was kind of like, you know, not a lot of selection. They still had some bits, but no drill drivers for $99. And none of those tools. They still had a few oscillating circular saw and the reciprocating saw there. Yeah, and they did have some masks. I was looking at these because I thought they were N95. I need them N95 for work, but I can't find it anywhere. But I was checking out these, but yeah, these are washable. But N95 is what I need for my type of work, so it didn't work for me. So $448, I guess it's on sale. It was $598 before, so they're giving you like 50 bucks off. Or yeah, they're giving you a little bit off on that box, so it's on sale. And that's the free batteries if you purchase a Makita tool. And look at all the packouts that they had here, still at regular price, no discounts. And here's the Ryobi section, the end cap. I was just looking to see if they had the new ratchet. And guys, I'm coming out with the new another Home Depot video. Stay tuned later today. So I will be rolling out I went to another store, so I wanted to get that new Ryobi ratchet. So stay tuned. I'll probably upload it in a couple hours if you want to look at another Home Depot how it looks. But yeah, this is the Ryobi section. And yeah, well, happy 4th of July. I appreciate everybody watching. And if you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool reviews, make more tool videos, that's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So please feel free to subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell. And like I said, stay tuned for, oh yeah, and then you got the rocket lights. DeWalt has their own rocket light. I seen it before, but I just haven't paid attention to it. But it's a really nice, these two are really nice lights right there. Eventually I will get the rocket light, the Milwaukee rocket light, because that's the platform I'm into. And yeah, they did have another end cap from Milwaukee. They had some more tools here. But no free, no buy one get one free type of deal. Just the combos that they had. And they got the bottom combos for $2.99, $3.49 with the circular saw. So definitely some of these worth checking out if you guys are want to get into the Milwaukee platform. And they had the fan for $69. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.